Today we're going to be talking about nature. Starting off, this first one is coming from at Sea Explored. The thing I really like about it is it's dark clouds, so it's really moody. A lot of people like to go when it's really bright and really dramatic and really out there, and you can see, you know, it's really bright and there's sun rays, but there's something really aesthetic and really nice about just dark clouds on a dark, moody day. Kobe Ville 1. All these videos are really short and sweet. That's something I like. Just the waves, the green grass going up the side of the hill, the lighthouse. It's just peaceful. This one was coming from Colby Ville 1. Sasha Baitler. Nature is better without a trending sound. That is so true. Nothing has ever been more truer than that statement.